Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, we have seen it severally within the Nigerian space, especially from 2015 till date, when of course Mallam Buhari will give an instruction, and then that instruction of course will manifest on a sovereign state within the Nigerian space. So we saw that in Kano state, when the people of Kano voted out Abdullahi Ganduje, but Mallam Buhari instructed Mahmoud Yakub, the supposed INEC chairman, and then of course he carried out the instruction and just declared Ganduje the governor of Kano state anyway. We saw that in Ekiti state, when the people of Ekiti state rejected Fayemi, but then of course Mallam Buhari instructed the supposed chairman of INEC, Mahmoud Yakubu, and suddenly Fayemi was declared the governor of Ekiti state. So now the people of Imo state had the temerity to vote in a person of their own choosing, which of course was Emeka Ehidioha. But of course, an angered Mallam Buhari would not have this, and he immediately then phoned instructions to Tanko Mohammed, his chief justice or whatever, and instructed him immediately, because of course Mahmoud Yakubu did not carry out instruction as it was ordered. So he instructed then Mahmoud Yakubu to immediately remove Emeka Ehidioha from that post and replace him with Hope Uzodinma, who came who came fourth in the election. So instructions are now being given in Edo State. As guys, I bring you this. President Buhari endorses Eze Iyamu, hands over APC flag. So that is the headline that we are contending with, and a lot of this of course is about the images or the image. I'm not quite sure if I'm using a slide or just one image for this video, but the real narrative is the image or images that you're seeing on your screen, because of course Lai Mohammed told us from the onstart as far back as 2015 that the style of the administration is all about body language, and that Mallam Buhari communicates most effectively via body language. So the body language is clear, and this is a clear instruction now to Mahmoud Yakubu that just go and write out your results and declare this is a Iyamu the winner. So again, the headline, President Buhari endorses Eze Iyamu, hands over APC flag. So now let's now see what caption is used to back up these photos. President Muhammadu Buhari has officially endorsed Osage Eze Iyamu for the upcoming Edo State gubernatorial elections. Buhari on Friday met with Eze Iyamu at the presidential villa in Abuja. Newspaper correspondents learned that the chairman of the caretaker committee of the ruling party and governor of Yobe State, Mallam Buhari, escorted Eze Iyamu to the meeting. Others at the meeting are the chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum, PGF, and governor of Kebbi State, Atiku Bagudu, and the APC Campaign Council chairman for Edo, Governor Abdullahi Ganduje. So that is just the short and to the point caption for this particular video. But as I said, I think I will actually do like a photo slide for this one, because you need to see all the photos. There are only 3 of them, but there are enough of them to really tell you the story of what is going on here. So now when you see this Mallam Buhari guy handing over this flag to this guy, this is a Yamu, by the way, was one of those people that used to pour acid on people in the university days. He's one of those fraternity boys who is now becoming a governor, because of course his antecedents are well documented in the public space. He was a hooligan in his university days and is still a hooligan now, but then of course that doesn't really obstruct anything. Who is the person leading his campaign is Abdullahi Ganduje, the one that we saw pocketing dollars. So a criminal enterprise all the way through, and it serves them more that he's a criminal than an honest man. So it just fits in with the template. But really what this handover is doing is not so much handing over a flag to this hoodlum, this thug that was pouring acid on people at university. It's not really about that. This handing over of a flag by Mallam Buhari to this element is really a signal to Mahmoud Yakubu that there you are, you have your instructions, so go do as you did in Kano State, in Ekiti State, and do not make the mistake of Imo State anymore. I'll forgive it once, but I will not forgive it twice. So really the messaging is to Mahmoud Yakubu, and as Lai Mohammed has informed us often enough, and is of course the Minister of Information for the APC party, so he should know, or the APC government, whichever. I think is more a Minister of Information for the party than the government, because of course he doesn't stand outside of the party. So he has already told us that the whole tempo and texture of Buhari is all about body language, and the body language that he's speaking now is to no other person than the chairman of INEC to give him a direct instruction to install this hoodlum into the state house in Edo State. Conversations in the comment section, the rigging continues, and you can see it being played out right in front of your eyes right here. Come share thoughts, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me then in the comment section. Click on like as well, by the way. I keep forgetting to ask that. Click on like because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all that, then come into the comment section. Come tell me what you are reading into the body language, because of course Lai Mohammed has told us to read the Mallam Buhari's body language, and we have to follow the instructions of Lai Mohammed, because of course he's an APC man and a Minister of Information. So come tell me then what you are reading into what you're seeing on your screen now. The big smile from Mallam Buhari, this guy with the face mask. And by the way, Mallam Buhari is not wearing a face mask in this photo, but then of course he wore a face mask when he went to visit his relatives in Mali. So the disrespect to the Nigerian state is a sect, is a sub story to the greater story of this narrative. So if he's wearing a face mask to Mali, then why is it not wearing a face mask amongst the Nigerian people, even though the Nigerian people might not be his own people, but he's resident in Nigeria, and manners just would have it that he wears a face mask. So this is just something I've picked up, but that is an aside. But the broader story is the instruction that Mallam Buhari is giving to Mahmoud Yakubu to return this guy come hell or high water. I keep saying return, but install really is what I mean. To install this guy as the governor of Edo State. Conversations in the comment section, clear instructions to Mahmoud Yakubu. That is how I read it. How do you read it? Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Then come join me in the comment section. Come tell me what you're making of all this. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.